Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out Calm Pro 5, a supplement that claims to help you reduce stress and anxiety naturally. But with so many products out there, is Calm Pro 5 legit or just another scam? According to the official website, Calm Pro 5 is a natural formula designed to support mental calmness, reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and promote overall relaxation. The product says it uses plant-based ingredients that gently help soothe your nervous system without the harsh side effect of some medications. It sounds promising, especially for those looking for a natural way to manage stress. Here's where things get tricky. Calm Pro 5 is pretty new, and there aren't many independent reviews on popular platforms like Reddit or Trustpilot. More importantly, the scam detector websites give calmpro5.com a very low trust score of 15 out of 100, labeling it as a high risk and controversial. That's a major red flag. Low trust scores like this often suggest concerns about business transparency, refund policies, or product claims that may not be fully verified. So is Compro 5 legit? While the product's natural ingredients aren't necessarily suspicious, the lack of solid user feedback combined with a poor trust score means you should be very cautious. If you want to try it, do so carefully and only after consulting with a healthcare professional. Don't invest too much upfront and always be wary of products that don't have verified reviews or a strong reputation. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and available information as of 2025. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.